Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to unbox and review the Kqueen air fryer. Air fryer is a countertop kitchen appliance that uses convection to circulate hot air around food in order to cook it. Let's unbox it first. Inside the box you'll find User Manual, Recipes Cookbook. There are more than 80 recipes to help you make cooking easy even if you are a beginner. The Kqueen air fryer. With advanced 360 degrees hot air circulation technology, you can fry food with little to no oil and enjoy deep-fried crispy flavor of food. The frying basket and the detachable grill shelf have non-stick coating and they are dishwasher safe. Cleaning is easy, just detach the non-stick metal grill shelf from the basket, rinse and wipe off the water, or just put them both into a dishwasher. To be honest guys, I'm hungry. I'm going to cook a steak. First I will add some olive oil. Then add some salt. The last thing is black pepper. Now our steak is ready to cooking. In the menu I will choose the steak icon, and then press play. After 10 minutes we need to turn the steak to other side. Now we wait until it's done. Our steak is ready to serve. You can have it along with some salad or fried as sides. Enjoy! I'm still hungry. I bought this Meatballs turkey at store. Let's fry them. In this time, I will choose the chicken icon. Oh! They are so crispy! And so delicious! Now I will make French fries. Add some olive oil and mix it. Choose fries icon. The fries are also looked so good and delicious. I hope you enjoyed my recipes. Thanks for watching.